go over some of the main features that we have with this project. As you can see with the fret, we have our menu, which is controlled through these three buttons, and then we also have an SD card, an accelerometer, a potentiometer, which will control the speed of how the guitar plays. We also have 6 RGB LEDs, and these will tell you what string to pluck when you're playing the song. When going back to the fret, we'll go through what modes we have. We have the SD mode, which reads off the SD card. We have CC, which is color changing mode, which allows you to change the colors of those RGB LEDs. We have mix mode, which controls the patterns for the fret. So if you don't want to actually use and learn how to play a song, you could just have a cool functioning LED lit guitar. And finally, we have MIDI mode, which allows it to talk to the computer and play MIDI files. For the SD card, basically all we have to do is we hit the enter button in the center, and as you can see, it's already starting to play the song, changing the chords, and you can see with our RGBs that they are changing and what string to pluck. And then if it's going too fast, you could use the potentiometer, and as you can see, the LEDs are actually slowing down between which ones to pluck.
We're dealing with the mix feature. It has a different patterns that can choose between them, and you can basically choose the pattern you need by selecting from the buttons over here. And it's a nice feature that if you don't want to play a song, you can just select it, and it keeps going all over in random patterns like this. And the speed also can be changed by changing the potentiometer, and that's one of the nice features we got.
Talk about the MIDI mode. What the MIDI mode does is it uses the UART of the Arduino Mega and connects to the computer. Now the computer has a process running from the processing software, which the Arduino platform is based off of. And basically what we can do here is we could take a MIDI format song, we could play it, and have the LEDs on the guitar respond with the same pitch. So once I select the MIDI mode, you see that nothing is on until I play this song. And as you can see, it's playing with the sound. When I hit stop, the LEDs stop, and when I hit play, the LEDs go. How MIDI works is the pitch goes down in a diagonal on the fret. And now I would like to talk about the SD feature that we've implemented with this GuitarGlow project. Now I understand the idea of having to program your own song might be a little daunting, or users who haven't programmed before. So what we've tried to do is make this as user-friendly as possible. On the left we have songs.txt, and basically what this does is it holds the chords that we want to play are equal to a number. This number relates to the new line in patterns.txt. So A, for example, would be pattern 2. These letters in patterns.txt relate to the strings, as you can see in the picture to the right, with the little e being the E all the way to the right. You simply figure out what strings you want to hit in what order, and you relate that to the chord, and you can make a song out of that.